Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Ruby. I hope you all are doing well. I know it's been a long time since I posted my last video. Many of you might be wondering where I disappeared. But the truth is, I didn't quit, I just took a short break. The main reason was my exams and the month of Ramadan. My routine became very busy. So, I decided to focus on my studies and my responsibilities for some times. But during this break, I was also thinking about my channel and planning how I can come back better. Now, my exams are over and Ramadan is almost over. Only 2 to 3 days left. So, I just wanted to make this small comeback video. And also, I'm planning after Ramadan, I will start making videos seriously again, especially on spoken English, daily use sentences, and useful tips to improve your English. So, comment below and tell me which English topic you want next so that I can help you improve your English. And thank you so much for staying with me and supporting me. Your support means to me a lot. Thank you very much. And see you in my next video. Till then, bye.